have come again for today. Today is another day. Today is their day 13. So tomorrow there will be 2 weeks. We recorded no mortality today. They are all healthy. Healthy. So but their water finished. I need to increase their quantity of water again. I need to add maybe bigger drinkers now, so that their water won't be finishing. Abeg, because this salt is too much. Had it been I didn't come on time today, it would have been another thing. So I need to increase their water intake and their drinkers and start using the bigger ones from tomorrow. So they are okay, no mortality recorded. They are doing perfectly well and growing bigger every day. So look at the feed. The feed the feeding trough I filled yesterday. Look at it. So the feed as I filled yesterday, look at it. They have eaten it. It has come down, but still remaining. Maybe till next tomorrow before I'll feed put another one. But it has come down, like they ate it well, like it has come down, really come down. See, but at least it will still be enough for them today and tomorrow. Maybe by next tomorrow I'll fill another one. That's how I used to do it. I don't like feeding it every day because me a lazy person. So that's it, guys. So let me change off to my outfit and start up. Okay, stay tuned for us. We'll be right back.